Want to fix couldn't post your comment problem on Instagram? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix that. Now, the first thing you want to do is open up Play Store. Then tap on the search bar and here you want to search Instagram. Now, if you find the update option, go ahead and tap on that and update the app to the latest version. After that, launch open Instagram and check if your problem is fixed. If it is not fixed, next thing you want to do is open up your settings. Then tap apps. Now find Instagram and select that. Now select storage. Here select clear cache. Then select clear data and delete all of the data. Now open Instagram, log into your account and check if your problem is fixed. If it is still not fixed, open Instagram, tap on the profile icon, then select the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. After that, scroll all the way down and find the option of help. Select that. Now select report a problem, then tap on report problem. Now here you want to enter your problem. You can also upload a screenshot, then tap on the send option. After that, Instagram support team will help you fix that. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.